Welcome back to Kevin's Dominoes. Today we've got this tower. Not a massive tower yet, but it's gonna get tall. It's gonna be my tallest tower, which is why we have a step stool here. So the tower's gonna be between here and here, about where my hands are, like here and here. We've got the tripod max over there. We're gonna need a max, maybe even high, because my goal is to build it higher than the tripod, looking like it is now, which is why we have the step stool. So my plan is, I built the 32 dominoes. Right now this is currently 32 dominoes anyway, about up to like